Assalamualaikum, my name is Faizah-B20190100. As for the final design, it is easier to build as the components required are available in Brunei than ordering online, which will take some time to arrive. In this case, heater is replaced to a coil-like copper structure that is called heating element. Stoppers are installed to place the level in a fixed position, and the purpose of the level is to protect the motor from getting the heat from heating element. The interior of the upper level of the box is covered with thermal cloth so that the body will not burn when heating element is turned on, as the thermal cloth is a good conductor of heat. To prevent overheat, cooling fan is attached on the right side hole where the wind blows inward. This is where the food waste enters and get crushed as well as heated. And 2 ventilators were made, which is on the upper level and lower level of the body. These are the calculations that are needed before actually building it for safety precaution and to make sure the product obeys the design specification. The force and area of the blender were calculated to know the amount of shear stress that the blender can handle. The temperature of the heating element were measured using a baking thermometer so that the heating time during heating process can be estimated. Next, the speed of the blade when rotating were stated in the manual, and from this, the time and efficiency when crushing process takes place can be easily obtained. The current and volt were calculated to determine the amount of power used in food waste recycler. This is so that it will not exceed the power rating for safety purposes. When in reality, after testing the prototype of the food waste recycler, the total amount of crushing was only 30 minutes and heating less than 2 hours. Now moving on to workshop operations. Plywood is cut into 7 pieces with specific dimensions, and certain pieces were drilled through to make required holes using either a drilling machine for larger holes or manual drill for smaller holes. And after drilling, sash clamp is used to hold the pieces together and using screws instead of nails for easy disassembly. We made an experiment to test the fertilizer by using the food waste recycler to see if it works. The fertilizer was tested on a star fruit tree that has stopped growing for the past 10 months, and it is proven to grow 2 centimeters for just 3 days, as shown in the picture. In conclusion, this product is a success because it obeys the product design specification and objectives is achieved. Finally, for design recommendation, the storage of crushing cylinder should be larger so that more food can be processed at once and be able to process 8 kilograms maximum. Add more blades to help speed up the crushing process. And since the food waste recycler has a high usage of power from blender and heating element, so setting a timer or installing a sensor will be helpful to reduce this issue. During crushing, it produces loud noise, so it is recommended for the body frame to be made of materials that is a sound absorbent. And lastly, for a quick, ready-to-use fertilizer, compostable food waste usage is recommended in order to fasten the crushing process. That is all from us, and thank you.